So this one is from Amazon. So the packaging is really nice. This is this craft set. Let's open it and see what are the products inside it. So this is how it looks. So it comes with some craft paper, different kinds of fun. So these are the like paper craft. Wow, it looks so pretty. Oh wow, how the flowers are coming. We can see. Wow, it's so pretty. This is the way you can pick up the flowers. And I got like this 2 vases to decorate it, and some ribbon jute, like some jute. All these jute are so pretty and cute. And it comes with also this paint brush and some paint. Wow, that's really nice. For your kids, that's seriously great one. You can see the color and so many stuff. After completing the flower vase, you can put this. It looks really pretty. And this is the oil acrylic and watercolor, everything for this paintbrush you can use. The color chart which comes, and there is some wire in case wire to knead the flower, and some buttons also. Also got some buttons. And you can decorate the vase and make flowers, and you can make so many creative things with this. They already cut the flowers, you don't have to do anything, you just have to make it like this. So pretty flowers.
What's this?
And there are some butterfly, some wire. So we will make another flower. Now we're putting one like this, bigger flower and smaller flower and orange. This is another. My vase is getting ready.
Sour. Let's see.
we just finished our vase. You can see it looks so pretty. This is how it looks. It looks so cute. I mean, I just finished one. You can do the similar way with the other one, or you can do whatever the way you want. I just decorate in this way. But there are so many ways you can decorate it. There is nothing constant that you can make it like only this way. You can see this is how it looks. This is the way I just decorate it. I feel like this way, and I decorate it in like some flowers. I just put it. You can decorate it in the way you want. Like there are so many creative way you can make it whatever the way you want. But I like this one. Looks like really pretty. I finished only one, but in the similar way we can do it. You can do this one. I will decorate this one, and I will think another way to decorate this one. Don't know how to, but this is like really fun, and it keeps your kids like really busy, and the activity is like really fun. I really like it and enjoy it while doing it, and yeah. And also they have given the color, so you can the kids can do the colors, and they can enjoy the paintings also. Yeah, this is like a really great idea. If you're looking for a kids craft set, definitely this one is a great one. I don't have any complaint or anything. I just want to say that while the kids are doing, you just have to watch so that they don't put it on their mouth, because these are the buttons. That's the thing you have to take care while the kids are doing. You just have to watch, because they don't eat it. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it's like a really great and fun activity set, and for yourself, for your kids, and to gift any other. Definitely this one is a great one. So if you want to look for this gift set, definitely check in the description box. I will put the links in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.